Hey everybody, RTC behind the wheel with you guys today at my colossal Barnes & Noble store here. We're on location. Last year I did a video on the Barnes & Noble web development section, and I want to do one for 2019. Let's go see what's inside. Web development books are so hard to pull off because everything's changing every 6 months. They just get outdated so quickly, and unlike a video course or online stuff, you have to buy another book in order to get the updated material. So let's go see how sustainable some of these books are. Last time I was here, I saw Steph Mischuk's book, which was pretty rad. All right, enough blabbering, let's go inside. Before we do anything, I actually need one of these. Looks like we got two sides here. We'll come back to this. I got a lot of books. Wow. It's a lot more than last year. Wow, look at all this Python stuff. Python flashcards? Hold on. It's kind of cool. Python programming for dummies. All this top row is Python stuff. TensorFlow? What? Impractical Python projects. No Starch Press is one of the best out there. They got a lot of No Starch Press stuff. All this is No Starch. Wait, not this one. Python 3 the hard way. Rust. Okay, that's not Python. These Rust are though. I got some A+ cert stuff, network stuff. WordPress? The Missing Manual. Data mining. The database stuff down here, some SQL stuff. 2 SQL books. 3 SQL books. Got some R stuff. It's kind of cute.
Are you finding what you need?
I am, thanks.
Okay.
Busted. Ooh, Linux. This is a really good book. More Linux stuff. Could probably get rid of this one. Windows stuff. The UX book. Character development in Blender. It's kind of rad. Hey, there's that Steph Mischuk book. Web design starts here, a no-nonsense jargon-free guide to the fundamentals of web design. Steph Mischuk. Shout out to Steph. That's awesome. Nice job, Steph. How did you get that international distribution deal? That's pretty awesome. Got some Blender stuff, Photoshop. Programming interviews exposed. I haven't seen that one. This looks, yeah, I need this book. Merton Fowler. It's supposed to be a really good book. Whole thing is C++. Gamer's Guide to Coding. That may be kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And then we got the web development stuff. HTML and CSS. Man, is that necessary? It's huge. Java stuff. Eloquent JavaScript. This is supposed to be a good one too. Actually, this is a good one. This is a good one. Automate the boring stuff with Python. That's a great one too. Another No Starch Press. Man, this is a huge Python book. More Python stuff. Just Python is dominating the store. Black Hat Python? God. I need like $1,000 right in my pocket right now. I'd get all these. Kotlin. There's another great one, JavaScript and jQuery by John Duckett, who's coming out with a PHP book soon. His HTML and CSS book is supposed to be good. I don't have that one. I just took a peek at it a few times. I don't own it though. This one was okay. I checked this out from the library. It wasn't anything special. Headfirst is a great publishing company. Their books are just so different than what other publishers are doing. Unity. Learn a program with Minecraft. A lot of game stuff here too. That's exciting. We have like the consumer level stuff here, a lot of iPad stuff. Facebook for dummies. Man. Another section of the John Duckett. Man, more Python. There's just so much Python. 30% off. I think they had some cybersecurity stuff over here. I might have just... What? Bootstrap? Cool. I want to see that cybersecurity stuff they had. There's a book here called like Steal This Book. It's a black hat hacking book. Was it down here somewhere? Kevin Mitnick, The Art of Intrusion. This guy is like the OG internet/web hacker. This guy has some insane stories. He hacked just about every big website back in the day of note, and he went to jail for quite a few years, and now he has his own consulting business. He's one of the best. He's one of the best hackers ever. Or shall I say most successful, most notorious. TCP/IP. That'd be kind of good. There were some hacking books here. Where are they? Maybe they actually... Oh! This is a good book. I actually need to add this one to my collection. Robert C. Martin. Classic. Absolute classic. Scratch. Malware Data Science. That looks kind of good. It's kind of cool. I gotta say, compared to last year, they've really upped their game. These are mostly up to date from what I've seen. I don't know about all these, but the ones on the other side, I mean, you guys saw them. There are some really good titles there. A lot of classics too, and a lot of diversity when it comes to the tech careers, I guess. This is really nice to see too. All these Linux guides over here, and then some Ubuntu books. 2017 edition, 2019 edition, the official Ubuntu book, and maybe one more scattered throughout here. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. What are you guys seeing at your Barnes & Noble? I think that lady's still following me, so I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.